Yes, hello. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So, paano na nga ba? Ano bang choices nyo in the last 2 weeks? Okay, alam ko na miss nyo ako kasi miss na miss ko rin ang Facebook Live. I think 2 weeks tayong hindi nakapag-live kasi sa mga commitment. Minsan abala ang trabaho. Joke lang. Okay, so what if yung mga choices nyo every day can make you a better person, can make you have a better health, can make you have a better wealth at saka better future. So, pipiliin nyo ba? So, ano nga bang latest sa Atomy in the last 2 weeks? Sobrang busy lahat. Okay, yung iba maraming dahilan. Busy, may anak, walang time. Okay. In the last 2 weeks, every first Monday, meron tayong Good Morning Atomy ng Atomy Philippines. So kung hindi nyo pa pina-follow ang Atomy Philippines YouTube channel at saka yung Facebook official uh, channel ng Atomy Philippines, make sure i-follow nyo para every 9:30 a.m. dyan sa Pilipinas, mapapanood nyo ang Good Morning Atomy. Okay, we have a discussion about the auto sales master income last Tuesday. Paano nga ba kumita ng 40,000 pesos to 50,000 pesos in a 15-day period or paano mag-commission ng 2,200 pesos on a daily basis. So, diniscuss natin yan last September 9 sa ating Tuesday Atomy. And of course, meron tayong one-day seminar handog ng Atomy Philippines. Every Thursday dyan sa Pickup Center sa Quezon City, we have the one-day seminar. So, kung malapit po kayo, gawa naman ng paraan. Mag-imbita ng kaibigan at manood kayo. Libreng matuto kay Atomy. Kung hindi naman, mag-imbita ng kaibigan at sabay kayong manood sa YouTube o kaya sa Facebook Live ng Atomy Philippines. And of course, we have our daily Zooms ng Sambahayang Ginto or Household Gold Global Atomy from Monday to Saturday. We also have Vision to Reality English Zoom every Saturday or Saturday 8 p.m. dyan sa Pilipinas. And then we have the Global Leaders meeting, English Zoom meeting from USA, handog ng North Carolina Global Center. So that is every Monday 8 a.m. dyan sa Pilipinas. So, ang dami-daming pagkakataon para matutunan si Atomy. And recently, I mean, just this morning, 8 a.m. dyan sa Pilipinas, we have our very own Sales Master SMP kung saan i-share niya kung gaano ka-powerful ang Atomy Himuhim, ang ating flagship product na kung saan nakatulong sa kanyang recovery when he had his quadruple bypass. Okay. And also at this time, we are still challenging. We are still using Himuhim for the Himuhim challenge. So, ang challenge is mag-take ng 2 packet ng Himuhim. I think naubusan na ako. Okay, 2 packet. You just have to upload the picture on a daily basis dun sa website. So, sa Philippines, it's ph.atomy100.com. Okay, so magti-take ng 2 sachet and then magti-take ng picture on a daily basis. So, magra-run tong challenge na to hanggang November. So, this September, October, whole month, and then December. Kung makakumpleto po kayo ng out of 26 days in a month, of course, meron kayong free gifts from Atomy Philippines. If you are from a different country like Singapore or kaya USA, make sure to check the website as well kung ano yung mga requirements. And especially, ang iba-ibang country is may iba-ibang gifts para sa inyo kung kayo ay part ng Atomy system. Okay. Last Tuesday, Army, of course, we also had a discussion on 8 core daily checklist or creating daily good habits sa Atomy. And this was discussed by one of our leaders from the Atomy Singapore, walang iba kundi si SM Bilen. So, sana mapanood niyo yung replay kung paano nga ba dapat daily gawin si Atomy para naman hindi kayo ma-pressure na wala akong alam sa business, hindi ko alam yung business kasi madali lang naman gawin si Atomy, especially if you're having fun doing the Atomy. So, 8 core daily checklist para mas matutunan at para mas makita nyo yung effect ng inyong effort, okay? In all honesty, when I started using the 8 core daily checklist from 2021, hanggang 2022, of course, yun na yung pumapasok talaga yung passive income. Yung dati talagang sobra, sagad-sagad ng effort, talagang mag-give up ka, parang ang hirap. But then, consistently doing 8 core daily checklist, eventually, sa paulit-ulit mong ginagawa yung 8 core, ni Atomy, mas dumadali na siya. O, 'di ba? This coming April, oh no, not April, sorry, I'm in the mode of April. This coming September 26, 27, we will have the Philippine Success Academy dyan sa Batangas. Okay, so wala po yatang live feed. So abangan na lang po in the future sa ating channel Atomy Philippines para mapanood ang presentation, especially with Diamond Master Doc Christina Magno from the Army Mindoro Center. She'll be presenting dyan sa ating Philippine Success Academy. And we missed the Korea Success Academy last Friday. Kung hindi nyo napanood sa YouTube or hindi kayo nag-attend ng Zoom, we have a very powerful Korea Success Academy na ginanap sa Korea, of course. Okay, ano pa ba? Um, just this evening, Arami Mindoro Center presented products like milk thistle at saka yung ating saw palmetto. Sa mga may problema po sa liver at saka sa mga may problema sa inyong prostate like benign prostatic hypertrophy or prostatitis or prostatic cancer, yan, napakaganda po ng saw palmetto. So, laging mag-attend ng Zoom para naka-plug in tayo sa system. Marami tayong matututunan. Let's take advantage of it. Kasi nga, libre naman yung Zoom. And minsan napakaganda mag-attend ng Zoom, especially headed by the nurses and the doctors, lalo na mga doctors, no? Libre, libre na magtanong, libre na yung check-up, libre na yung advice. They're doing it for free, okay? Hindi mo na kailangan magpunta sa doktor for consultation. Pwedeng kung related dun sa specialty nila, of course, they can give us advice. Pero hindi ko po inaalis sa inyo na, of course, always check with the expert. Magkonsulta sa inyong doktor kung lalo na kung may mga problema. Okay, maraming members na lagi nagtatanong sa akin, DM, ano bang magandang product para sa gantong problema, para sa gantong problema? Of course, yung mga binibigay ko pong advice is just related also sa experience ko, sa mga narinig ko, sa mga may powerful testimony about the products ng Atomy. Kasi lahat ng produkto ni Atomy, napakaganda. It truly has the absolute quality and absolute price. Wala namang mawawala kung itatry natin ang product ni Atomy. Especially to those na parang halos wala ng pag-asa, walang ibang makatulong. Malay nyo makatulong ang products ni Atomy. But also on the other side, huwag namang maghintay na parang huli na yung lahat. Na sana pala nabigyan nyo kaagad ng himuhim or sana pala na-try nyo yung ibang products ni Atomy. Okay, wag na hintayin magka-cancer, wag na hintayin magkasakit, wag na hintayin na magkasakit sa puso, magka-high blood, magka-hypertension. Of course, alagaan natin ating sarili, magkaroon ng healthy choices on a daily occasion. Okay? So, yun lang. So, those are the resources that we have in our Atomy. And of course, we have the household daily essentials na meron sa ating website. Kung hindi nyo pa po na lalagi na inyong Atomy Shop app and hindi pa kayo nakakapag-login sa ating website, atomy.com/ph or ph.atomy.com/main. Ayan, iba na yara. Sana tama ang sinasabi ko. Or if you guys have any question, please don't forget to comment below. Ire-record ko po yung sagot kung hindi ko masagot live. And you can also follow me sa Rala Anatomy 101. I do post yung ating recording ng Marinduque Global Center Tuesday Atomy dun sa YouTube channel na yon. But I do encourage you to log into Channel Atomy of different countries like ch.atomy.com/ph. Yun po yung ating pinaka-online academy. And watch at least one video of our chairman para mas madali niyong matutunan si Atomy. Or if you are interested in one of the products, just search kung meron bang PowerPoint presentation, kung may PPT, or kung may commercial about that products. Although, kapag ka nag-login kayo sa Atomy, you will find out na lahat ng products in the online shopping mall, as you log in, as you click those products, you can have and you can see different information. Okay? So yun lang muna yung recap natin in the last 2 weeks. So na-miss ko kayo. Sana na-miss nyo din ako. Okay? I hope to see you guys tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. sa Tuesday Atomy of the Marinduque Global Center. This is a global success system built to give everyone the same chance to succeed, the same chance to be a student, the same chance to be the billion-dollar business owner of your own platform, which is Atomy. So thank you everyone for watching, and I hope to see you all again. I love you all. Bye.